This short video, I'd like to show how to handle some problems that sometimes occur with the GDS file. So if I zoom in on my GDS file that was generated in the PlanOpSim software, and I take one of these circles, you can see that it's actually made up of several different segments, and that can give problems for the lithography as has been reported. So there's a way within KLayout that you can fix this fact that it's all consisting of different individual cells by merging them. And the way to do that is first of all, you need to open KLayout in the edit mode. You can enable the edit mode by going to File, then going to Setup, and in editing mode, you enable Use Editing Mode by default. And then the next time you open up KLayout, it will open in the edit mode. That will give you some new possibilities. And after we've done that, we see that within the GDS file, actually, each of our meta atoms is treated as a different cell. We can go into Display, Select Cell, and select one of the cells, like so. You click OK, and then we have here one cell type with each of its little polygons in there. We select all of those, and then we go into Edit, Selection, and choose Merge Shapes, and it will merge all the shapes together, like so. And we can do that for every cell. So I've done this now for the first cell. I go back, select the second cell. Again, I go into Edit and merge all the shapes within the selection together. And that gives us a nice homogeneous circular shape. And after I'm done doing that for all cells, I just save this as, for instance, modify 2. And save that here. And after I've done that in this file, I've completed this procedure for each of the meta atoms, so all 8 cell types. And if I zoom in now, you see that all the circles, all the pillars, actually no longer have these individual triangles, but they're a homogeneous shape. So